OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos over the last 5 years, all documented, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And I finally saw the first breakup, right? This is huge. This is absolutely what I like to see. Additional to that, pull down is what I'm expecting now to kind of happen coming in today, or it might not even happen, and lower time frames can also be biased towards the long side. But yeah, it's a great step to what I want to see. That doesn't mean automatically this is going to start pumping and rocketing up. You know, this is not financial advice. All I'm just sticking to is my edge that I've refined over 44,000 videos. And then ultimately speaking, yeah, that's where we are. We Opendoor, I've also got about 31 results here in the Discord as well. You know what I mean? So without any sort of a shift in the double break, there's just no way that I will look to buy. So that's how Opendoor is looking like for me. This is not financial advice. Really nothing else to add, man. I'm just hoping I see this correction happening, and that's about it. So if you want to stay tuned and get free daily market stock picks and emails to make more, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.